Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, June 2nd. I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly dollar Canadian, we had a very big push to the downside. That must mean to us, especially with looking at the dollar index, that this is actually the end of a trend. I was thinking that it would go up further, but with that end of a trend, it must now have ended this section of trend, and it probably is actually going to end up continuing back down. So the market gave us clues about what's going to happen next, so we definitely need to pay attention. Now, I have been saying for the last couple of weeks that this was going to end up going up like that, but like I said, if it was going to go up like that, then this move up would have had to have been a trend. Instead, what happened was it made three waves up and a very impulsive move down, telling me that it probably is now continuing the downtrend. So let's keep on going down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, I'm going to have to go back to my original analysis that I was doing a couple weeks ago, which is this is a 1, this is a big ABC like a 2, and then this is probably like a 1 of 3, and ABC like a 2 of 3, and now we're probably heading down for that wave 3 of 3. So keeping that in mind, let's keep going down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, now we can see at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like I said, I was originally thinking this was going to be a wave 3, but the market told us that it was not a wave 3, that it was a wave C by seeing this break of structure to the downside. When the market tells us something, we really need to listen and we really need to pay attention. If this was a wave 3, then it would not have ended a trend like this with this big impulsive move down and a breakup structure. So that tells me that we are most likely now back into a downtrend and that we definitely want to start looking for shorts in a downtrend for the continuation of this possible wave 3 on the longer time frames. So, taking it down to the 1 hour, we really have to remember that we do have NFP news today, but it really seems to me like the news is already played into the market. I definitely see where it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which would make you think that the next move would be up, but at this point, even if it does go up, that move up is probably just going to be a crescent to the downtrend. It definitely looks like the end of a wave C on the daily time frame range, so at this point, I am definitely only looking for shorts, and I'm only looking to go short at the end of ABC corrections. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.